Let's start with what we know, the Earth. So the Earth's average surface temperature is about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius. Our atmospheric composition is about 78% nitrogen, 20-ish% oxygen, and then about less than 1% of a whole bunch of other gases. But Venus's atmosphere isn't like Earth's. We know that on Earth, carbon dioxide acts as a greenhouse gas. So light from the sun passes through the Earth's atmosphere, but CO2 absorbs some of the heat that would otherwise have escaped back into space. And it traps that heat against the Earth, causing the Earth's surface to be warmer than it would otherwise have been in the absence of CO2. Now imagine that same process happening on Venus, a place with over 2,000 times as much CO2 in the atmosphere, and a lot closer to the sun. And it's no wonder that Venus's actual average surface temperature is a blistering 870 degrees Fahrenheit, about 465 degrees Celsius. So, Venus, really, really hot. And why is it so hot? Much closer to the sun, massive greenhouse effect.
Why is Venus called Earth's evil twin? Venus and Earth are sometimes called twins because they're pretty much about the same size. Venus is almost as big as Earth. They also formed in the same inner part of the solar system. Venus is, in fact, our closest neighbor to Earth. So they were formed in the same part of the solar system, made out of the same materials, they're about the same size, so you would think that they would have turned out very, very similar. But what happened is somewhere along the way, they went two very different paths. Some people like to say Venus went bad or something went wrong. I like to say that somewhere along the way, something good happened on Earth. But on Venus, what happened is its large, thick carbon dioxide atmosphere is driving a greenhouse effect. In fact, it's so hot on Venus that you can melt lead. The temperatures on the surface of Venus are over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. And then Venus is covered in a 15-mile thick layer of clouds, and those clouds are made of sulfuric acid. So it is a crazy place, but really interesting. And we really want to understand why Venus and Earth turned out so differently. So NASA and ESA are embarking on a decade of Venus, where together we're sending 3 missions where we're all going to learn more about how Venus formed, how it evolved, and why it's so different from Earth. So, why is Venus called Earth's evil twin? Well, they're twins because they're the same size and they formed of the same materials. But Venus is such a hot and crazy place, really not hospitable to life, so that's why sometimes she's called our evil twin.
Opportunities are endless. What if you had the ultimate tool to kickstart your dreams? Introducing Global Domains International's $10 per month comprehensive digital package. The ultimate starter kit for your online venture. With your own .ws domain name, you get a unique and credible online identity. Stand out in the crowded digital landscape with a fresh, memorable address. Site Builder Plus offers you the power to create a stunning website effortlessly. Choose from over 100 professional templates, use the intuitive drag and drop editor, and enhance your site with free stock images and a dynamic photo gallery. With up to 10 personalized email accounts and easy access from anywhere, stay connected and professional with GDI's web email features. Take advantage of the world's leading blogging platform, WordPress, with GDI's enhanced hosting services. Enjoy 10 GB of storage for use on multiple blogs. Reaching your audience with ease. Share your online presence in one convenient place with clicks.ws, making it easy for your audience to find and follow you. For the experienced user, our basic hosting and URL forwarding services offer complete control and flexibility for your custom website. Ensure your website's security with free SSL certificates, boosting your credibility and search engine rankings while protecting your visitors. Join our global affiliate program and earn with our 5-layer compensation structure. Enjoy additional bonuses and rewards as you grow with GDI. Empower your entrepreneurial journey with Global Domains International. For just $10 a month, transform your ideas into reality with the ultimate starter kit.